Hi everyone, let's create dashboard, our entire dashboard on the basis of whatever is the data we have received from a company. So on the basis of we are going to creating interactive dashboard. But how we can create? Let's see. First of all, we will understand what is interactive dashboard. You can see. Let's say we want to see quarter one sales. So you have seen all the data has changed. Quarter two, right? Data is again changed. Quarter three, you want to see, and quarter four means all the figures like sum of quantity by category, sum of profit by month, sum of profit by subcategory, sum of profit by ship mode, sum of profit by customer name. Each and everything is keep on changing. Quarter three, now you can see all the names has been changed. Quarter two, all the names has changed. And country wise, suppose somebody would like to see country wise data. So this is the drop down menu and you have to click here. Let's say we want to see sale of the German. So now country wise, this is the entire detail is here. Let's say Colombia, right? So this is the entire detail is here, China, right? In that way, May and June in this month, right? This is the category. Category, we have three categories, furniture, technology, and other. So this one is the category wise, you can see what could be the sale of the from the country China. So we will create this interactive dashboard. And if you would like to remove this filtration, you have to just click here. So now this is the no filtration is applicable. And now this is the entire dashboard. So let's begin. So blank page we had opened. So now what we have to do, get data. Get data here is I am having .csv file. So what I will do, I will use this CSV file, Power BI, and here is CSV file, and here is edited data. So I will use this data. And now this data is I am going to upload. Yes. Now we can see, right, data is uploaded over here. Now edited data, category, city, country, customer ID, and all these things. These are the headings. Here is edited data because second time I had uploaded. So that is why it is like that. Earlier, otherwise we can remove this also, right? So this one is the edited data too because second time when I had uploaded, it would be like this. So what we have to do now, first of all, we would like to give, we are just minimizing all those things. You can see data. If you would like to see this data, what are the main headings in this data? Row ID, order date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, and what that is after customer name, segments, and postal code, city, state, country, region, market, product ID, category, and subcategory, as well as product name, as well as sales, then quantity, discount, profit, and shipping cost, and order priority also. Correct? Here is, this is the data we have received. Now, what we have to do, let me, again, we will come over here. So first of all, we would like to give name to this dashboard. So simply what we have to do, click here, text box, and let's say I want to give global sales dashboard. Dashboard. I had given this name. So what we have to do now, because it's not visible, so what we have to do, we can increase font size. Let's say font size would be, now we will select it and font size would be 24. Let's say. And now what we will do, simply, you can say dashboard. Global sales dashboard. Then after that, what we have to do, now you can see, here is you have see. Now what we have to do after this global sales dashboard, we will we are going to create this one is stacked column chart. Now simply what we have to do, I'm going to select here. Let's say we are preparing this chart. In between what we have done, you can see here in between sum of profit, and here is by month. So I will take here on the x-axis, I will take this one is the order date. Now you can see order date, and you have to click here, and here is we will take, let's say, month we will drag here. So on which axis we have taken month? No, I'm just removing this, and simply month we can drag here, month wise. And after that, on what basis we require? Profit. So we will click here profit. So now you can see sum of profit by month. This is the sum of profit on the y-axis, and month you can see on this axis. Up now, what we have to do here is, suppose I want to change, this one is visualization. So x-axis, we will go there. This is the in the black color, right? First of all, what we have to do, we will change color of the background. So color of the background, you have to click outside this anywhere, and here is you have to go there, and this is known as canvas. So canvas background, we will go there, canvas background, and we can browse this canvas background, and I have this wallpaper also, right? So we can open this wallpaper, and here is due to transparency, where is now it would be like this. And now you can see this is covering only this area. What we have to do, simply this is the normal size, but I want to fill this background to entire canvas. Now you can see this is a spread entire canvas. Now what we will do, we want to change background of this also. So simply we will click here, and we can go here, and here is we will click here effects. In effects, background is open, but why it's not visible? Because transparency is 0%. So we will increase this transparency. Now you can see color is changing. If you will increase this transparency, whatever is transparency requires. So I am keeping this transparency, let's say till 83%. After that, now name of months are not visible. January, February, March, April, and all these are not visible. Same is here. All these things, sum of profit is also not visible. So what we have to do, simply we will click here, and on the x-axis, the month is here, and y-axis, this one is the, we will click here, x-axis, and now color is, we will change. Let's say we have done. Now I think it's visible. Or suppose you want to change color, not white, because it is, now you can do change color. It would be like that. And same way on the y-axis, you can change color. And let's say we are going to y-axis. You will click here y-axis. And after that, these are the values, and you can change color. Let's say the same thing. Now you can see. But now, what is happening? There is grid lines, right? Dotted lines you could be able to see. So we don't want these grid lines should not be visible. So I will click here, right? And grid lines, you will click here, and these are on. So simply you have to off. You will off all these grid lines. So now no more grid lines here. Now the title is sum of profit by months. It's not visible. So simply what we have to do, we will go there. These are, you can see, x-axis, y-axis, grid lines, lots of things. Columns, you can change columns colors also. So here is, let's say, I don't want this blue color, I want this blue. So now color is changed of these bars. As well as what we will do, simply we will click here and now I want change my data levels. You can see, first of all, mm, I want to change my, these are the titles, yes. So now suppose general, I want to, this one is the sum of profit by months. I don't want in the black color, so I have changed my title. You can sum of profit by month. And you can, this is the left hand, I mean, orientation is left hand side. So centralized, it should be orientation. I have done this. So that is also visible. And after that, suppose I want these borders. You can see these are very sharp borders. I'm sure you could be able to see these are very sharp borders. So I want these borders should be in a round shape. So what I will do, simply I will do this. Simply click here. You have to go there. And now we can see, okay, fine, in the genre. So we can see effects, background, visual borders. So visual borders, these are the colors. First of all, let me, these would be on. So I'm going to change color, what is matching to my area. Let's say we will select this. So now border is here. But border is very sharp. So how we can change these borders? Simply you can click here and after that general, then effects and visual borders. So now simply you can increase these rounded corners. So suppose little bit more. So now you can see. So now you can see these corners has a round shape. Now, further we will move to, then we are, let's say, I want to create, this one is also you want to change. So simply you will go there. I mean, this is the title. And now you would like to give effect of this. This one is the background. So what we have to do, simply we will select here and we will click here and effect and why it is not visible. So simply we have to give trans. This one will be now you can see this is the color is changed. Now the alphabet color also we can change, right? So now what we will do here is simply we will go there and now the title and all, mm, now what we have to do simply these colors not black we will take that would be white and I'm going to select this and after that you can see this one will be color is changed, right? We will see its dashboard. After that, what we have to do, another one chart also we are going to prepare. Let's say this one is the strike bar chart we are going to take. And strike bar chart, what should be, let's say, we are going to prepare strike bar chart in between, let's say, I'm going to take profit and I'm going to take subcategory, right? Subcategory. So in my case, you can see how many subcategory, all, or we can say category wise also. Category wise, we will prepare another chart. Sum of profits by subcategory. So now you can see and the chart is prepared. But again, now we have to do formatting. So it's very simple. You will go there and simply you can select this format painter and after format painter, you have to click here. So now our chart is, this one is the our entire background and all these things. It's changed. And now you can increase size also. I mean, this is the exactly same size, but you can increase or decrease the sizes. And after that, suppose it's not clear. So what you have to do, simply just a moment, you can change this will be you have to remove. You can change you can refresh this time to time. And this is now refreshed. Now, what we will do, now you can see here is in the page one, I think this is also required refreshed. Right. Quarter one and all, we have put it. I think it's stuck. So in the next video, we will continue.